Sophie Venturella turning 12 years old this year. She's in Girard. Special birthday wishes coming from Mimi and Randy.
We got a sweet 16 for one Madison Richardson. Madison, a very happy birthday to you. She's a cheerleader out of Pittsburgh High School, little Purple Dragon pride. And Madison, I want you to know this comes with love from Mama and the entire family.
Aw.
Great day, kiddo.
All right, special birthday wishes coming from your boys.
What up, QUIN?
Going out to QUIN Vinze, who's now 37 years old in Girard.
I love what the VINZEs did with the kids' names, too.
See if I say it right. Koi, Crew, and Kai?
Mm-hmm.
All right. That is pretty cool. Well, your name's Quinn, so got to start somewhere. Happy birthday, Quinn. 37 years old.
I've known that dude since he was in high school. How crazy is that? Happy birthday, my man. Wayman Young, celebrating number 52. Wayman, a very happy birthday to you. He celebrates in Parsons.
And also in Parsons, Barbara Winkler. Happy birthday to you.
We have a 42nd anniversary. Steve and Marsha Mitchell. I love that hat, Marsha. That is just tremendous. They are celebrating their 42nd in Erie.
All right, and turning 103 years old this year, Miss Thelma Bristow in Columbus. A very, very happy birthday wish going out to you.
Kate Pierce with a couple of twos on the board. Happy birthday to Kate in Miami. And Paul Allen. Paul, I want you to have a marvelous day. Mr. Paul, he is in Columbus. A happy birthday. Happy anniversary to all. And you can turn them into KOMTV.com. Birthdays with an S. Birthdays with an S. At KOMTV.com. Or go on the old interweb, KOMNewsNow.com. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOM Birthday Club today.